Okay, kind of a post-mortem on this engine. It's a 350 with 4-bolt mains, as you can see. So it's really a shame that happened. And there's a rod that broke. The rod end broke off. And the other thing is, it looks like the pickup for the oil pump fell off, which would have immediately caused problems with oil starvation. And there's the pieces that were in the bottom of the pan, the remains of the rod end was on the crank, and the crank is kind of scratched there, so you can't just put another one on. That's pretty bad. So it's a shame, but we have to look for something new or newer or something that runs well to put in place of where that one came from, right there. Anyway, continuing the travails of the 1971 Chevelle.